Okay, so we're in here again with AI Business Hive apps. We've talked about all the image type things, but now let's talk about some of the stuff that has to do with words. So let's talk about the blog thing, Josh. Um,
Yeah, this blog tool, it is a really interesting tool. It allows you to create blogs based on whatever you might be looking to create a blog about. So when you get in, it will ask you to create a category of where you want your blogs to be. So you can title that with your business name, and then it will ask you to make a new post. This is where you are going to title that post. So maybe we'll say this post is about AI and next generation AI tools or something like that. You could toss that in there. And
it's about small business.
right beneath that, you're able to place who is the author. So we'll say that is Lyle. And you can also, it is required that you toss in a hero image. So this is going to be the image that pops up at the top. So we'll just go ahead and toss in a random image that will look neat.
I'm gonna use same image, this one, but in your AI image creator, you can actually create these hero images. Make sure that that format, that wide format, and we're gonna click Add Posts. Now we want to tell what this is about, how AI can be used for small business. That's all I have to put in there. And then I'm going to click this button right here. One, two, 2 seconds, Josh. Took 2 seconds and wrote the whole article.
Crazy.
All right,
Yeah.
so this gives us an idea. You're going to want to go in here and you're going to separate stuff out. You want to edit things and you want to break it. So maybe say game changer. So we're breaking this up into segments. And then I'm going to make this a heading setting, maybe a heading 3. And then benefits, maybe. I'm just totally making this up as we go because I'm not reading all this stuff. But see how this immediately makes it a simple, easy to use format to create it. And then we got ethical decisions, ethical decisions. Capitalize the I there. And it helps if I spell stuff right. It does have a spell.
As you can see up at the top, you're able to bold, italicize, change different headings, font styles, add bullet points, lists, change the indentions, all that fun stuff, just so you can add colors to make it more creative, make different things stand out. It looks like you're even able to add code into this as well, which is could be helpful depending on what you're trying to make your blog about.
So on me, if I wanted to put just a line across here, they don't have line on these things. Oh, they do. Click right there and make a line. So you can separate these out. Sometimes I use a code to put the lines in, but that'll let that happen. All right, so that separates it out. See how quickly that is? I highlighted the back of this one. I turned this one red just to show you things. And then you can change your author, put some more information. I did not fill out my author. That's why it's saying NA because it doesn't tell the rest of my information. And then we'll see that it's up here. If we go back, AI for small business, and now we have 2 blog posts. That's the one we just created right here. So this blog post that took us 2 seconds and then some a little bit of editing automatically shows up on this, and this becomes a blog center. If you don't like this as a blog center, it's called Word Hotel. This is just a private blog hosting. If you want to put that on your own website, though, you can take and download these documents. You can save and publish, or you can just copy all this text here and copy that into your favorite editor, whether it's a WordPress blog or whatever blog you're using. All right, so you view it here, go back to posts, and we can add some more. We can add as many as we want. And here's our settings for what domains and logos and all this fun stuff. We haven't done all this because we have our own blog set up somewhere else. But you can see how quick and easy it is to set up a blog. If you've ever wanted to do a blog, this is an easy way to put it in practice. And the AI writes everything for you. I will warn you, just because AI writes it doesn't mean it's right. Go in there and make it personable. Put your own information in. Make sure you have knowledge behind it. You don't want to spam people with a lot of blanket information. You want to be very specific. So lay out a content strategy for your blog before you lay this out. Any final thoughts
Yeah.
on this one, Josh?
Yeah, like Val said, proofreading is super important just to make sure that that information is accurate and is fitting your business brand. Of course, anything that you publish out there is a reflection of you, and ultimately, at the end of the day, your responsibility. So you definitely need to make sure that you're taking that all into consideration. But that is a great tool to be able to get you started with blogs. Maybe it's your first blog, maybe you have done many blogs. It is a tool for novice or expert. So check out that tool at
And check,
aibusinesshive.com. We have currently 12 tools on there for you to check out.
cool. Sorry about that. Josh kind of stuck in the middle there, but he said to go to aibusinesshive.com to find out where you can get these tools. All right, we'll see you on the next video.